Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to factor polynomials. If we want to factor a polynomial, what we do is to find the greatest common factor of all terms in the polynomial. The greatest common factor is the value that can be divided into each term of the polynomial. Let's look at some examples together. If the polynomial is something like 4x plus 2, the greatest factor that can be divided into both terms here is 2. Then we factor out the 2 to get 2 times the 2x plus 1. Okay, how about this one? X cubed plus x squared plus x. We can see that each term has the same letter. If so, the lowest degree letter will be the greatest common factor of the polynomial. In this case, it will be x. Then let's factor out x. We get x times the quantity of x squared plus x plus 1. Still not a big deal, right? Okay, let's try a little more complicated one, like this example. 3 times the quantity of x plus y cubed plus 5 times the quantity of x plus y squared. We can treat the quantity of x plus y as one unit. Then the lowest degree of this unit will be the greatest factor that can divide into both terms. In this case, that will be the quantity of x plus y squared. We factor it out and get the quantity of x plus y squared times the quantity of 3 times the quantity of x plus y plus 5. We don't normally leave it this way. We will get rid of the inner bracket and simplify it to the quantity of x plus y squared times the quantity of 3x plus 3y plus 5. For the last 3 examples, we just need to factor out the number part or the variable part. Quite often, we must factor both. Take this one for example. 4x cubed plus 8x squared plus 8x. If we just factor out the number part with the greatest common factor of the numbers, we get 4 times the quantity of x cubed plus 2x squared plus 2x. Do we factor out every common factor each term has? Apparently not, because we can see that x is the common factor of each term as well. So, we should also factor out x. That means we should factor out 4x, not just 4. Then we get 4x times the quantity of x squared plus 2x plus 2. That is the correct answer we are looking for. There is one more thing I want to show you about factoring polynomials. That is, if the highest degree term is a negative term, like this example, negative 2x squared plus 3x. Then besides factoring out the greatest common factor of the number part and the variable part, we will need to factor out the negative sign as well. So the greatest common factor will be negative x. Then we get negative x times the quantity of 2x minus 3. That is the simplified result. Be careful when you factor out the negative sign, because the signs in front of each term need to be flipped. The 5 examples above are basic methods to factor polynomials. I hope you enjoyed it. We are going to show you more ways of factoring polynomials in our next videos. Please stay tuned. And here are 2 more examples for you to try out. We will leave the answers at the end of the video. If you have any questions, leave your comments below or email us at question@beat-math.com. We will try to answer your questions in a future video, and the most common questions will be given priority in our next video. If you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to click the bell to turn on notifications, so when we answer your question in a future video, you'll be notified. See you next time.